This activity, lowest common multiple, or LCM, is sort of the opposite of the highest common factor activity. If you're not sure what multiples are, you need to go and watch the factors videos so you know that multiples are the answer you get when you multiply two numbers together. Okay? In this case, we're looking for the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6. So we're looking for the lowest number that is in the 3 times table and the 6 times table. Well, obviously the first number in the 3 times table is 3, but 3 isn't in the 6 times table because we haven't got to 6 yet. The next number in the 3 times table is 6. 6 is also in the 6 times table. So the lowest common multiple, the first time in your basic facts grid that you get a number that's in the 3 times table and the 6 times table, is the number 6. Okay? Because 6 is in the 3 times table, 2 times 3, and it's in the 6 times table, 1 times 6. So it's the lowest multiple that they have in common. The lowest common multiple. Let's look at another couple of examples. 5 and 7. Well, obviously it can't be 5, and if you look, it can't be 7 because 7 is not in the 5 times table. So let's go a little bit higher. After 7, the next times table in the 7 times table is 14. Well, 5 does not go into 14. 14 is not in the 5 times table. The next highest number in the 7 times table is 28. That's 21. And then 28, and neither of those are in the 5 times table. After 28, we get to 35. It ends in 5, so 35 is in the 7 times table, and 35 must be in the 5 times table, because all the 5 times tables end in 5 or 0. So the lowest number that is in both times tables, the lowest number in the 5 times and 7 times tables is 35. Okay? One more. 2 and 5. Well, the first number in the 5 times table is 5, but 2 does not go into 5. The next number in the 5 times table is 10. 2 does go into 10. It's 2 times 5, in fact. So the lowest common multiple, the lowest answer in the 2 times tables and the 5 times tables that they both have in common is the number 10. And that is the lowest common multiple. Use your grids to help you. And sometimes if you get into these harder ones, you'll have 3 times tables, and you just work your way up, starting from the highest one. So I would start from 12, and obviously 10 doesn't go into 12. So you go up to 24, and that still doesn't go into 10. And then you go up to 36, and then 48, and then 60. 60 is the first one that is in the 12 times table and in the 10 times table. Okay, so 60 is in the 12 times table. 60 is in the 10 times table, and then you think, is it in the 4 times table as well? Well, actually, I know that because I know my time, that 4 15s make 60, because 4 15 minutes makes 60 minutes. So I know that the lowest number that is in the 4 times table, 4 times 15, the 10 times table, 10 times 6, and the 12 times table, 12 times 5, is the number 60. That is the lowest common multiple of those 3 numbers.